Thought I would do a non-moving video today on the RadRover. 4,590 miles. Can hear nature. It's a bit early. I got a nice early start this morning, so into the trail. So I'll pause here and we'll go on to the next section. All right, so we're entering the tunnel here. You can hear the beehive effect from the knobby tires. You can see through the chain link fence the sun rising over Saddleback Mountain in Southern California. I think they think I have food. I'll have to bring you guys something maybe tomorrow, okay? All right, guys. Sorry, I don't have much. And then we have the 5 freeway. It was a little congested, but as you can see here, we just have a 2 duck pile up. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, we got another duck couple here. Can hear more birds. So we have another one of those long neck white birds. This little guy, man, he is moving. Oh, cool. Does he just have one leg, or is that other one tucked up? Got some more guys hanging out here. This is that section which I hope one day goes through, gives me a nice shortcut. That'll be amazing. Although they do have to deal with, this one has more flooding than the others, so they're gonna have to figure that out. I do like this new light. Works quite well. It's on strobe right now. lot of birds around here. Yeah, interesting. This is the other side of that construction thing they're working on. And it's a video, and I'm like, huh, where's the video? And then like, there it is right there. So they do film this. Interesting. Very interesting. Here's a duck couple. They hang out here all the time. There's another one, I think, further down. But these guys just chill right here. Hello. I'm not gonna bug you. Just putting you on YouTube. Sign the consent form. There's those black ducks. Man, with the moisture in the air, it definitely... Okay, yeah, here's the other couple right here. They just typically aren't afraid. Yeah, I'd be bundled up too, guys. But yeah, definitely with the humidity and it's windy at times. Whew, you feel it. That's why I wear the gloves. And I've been going in slower too than my usual high speed. Some more ducks. It's amazing how few people bike. Look, these guys are just hanging out. Well, it's all right. I'm not. You don't have to. All right. Well, there's that. And then we have the 405 freeway. GoPro, stop recording.